Hey guys, it's Greg, and this video is going to talk about the best Wix templates for 2018. Now, in 2018, Wix has been releasing some amazing templates, so it's a good time to make a website or change up your template and update your website. So what I've done, and what the easiest way for me to explain this to you without going in and showing you 50 different templates here, is I've gone through all of the templates, especially all the new ones. This is October 2018. I went through and basically scraped through all the new templates, looked at them on every page of the template, and really found out which were the best ones. So what I've done with this is I've put together a Facebook page and also an Instagram page. It's on Twitter and Pinterest as well, but I think Instagram and Facebook will be the big places where I'm going to be posting this. And the pages are called Wix Tutorials. So on Instagram, it's just at Wix Tutorials. And every day is going to be a post of a page on one of the best templates on Wix. If you follow that page on Instagram or Facebook, then you'll get updates every day with the best templates and what those pages look like. Also, I'm going to be sprinkling in some tutorials throughout that as well. So the best place to stay up to date on the best templates is to follow at Wix Tutorials. I don't want this to be a salesy thing or anything, but I just wanted to tell you the best place I'm going to be delivering this, and I'll be delivering every day on this, is going to be Wix Tutorials. So check it out if you want to. If you need a tutorial on how to put together the Wix template, I just put out a video the other day. It's a 48-minute tutorial, literally from signing up, choosing a template, and then how to edit that basically to publish. So I'll link to that in the description down below. And if you're ready to sign up for a website, obviously I have my Wix referral link that I put in the descriptions. I'll put that down there if you're ready to make your website. If not, just go to wix.com, check it out. Otherwise, if you guys have any specific videos you want me to make, just let me know, put it in the comments, and I'll put together a video just like this, answering any questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one.